This is an Excalibur 1820 model. I finished installing it in a customer's car. Basically, to arm the system, you're going to hit lock. Okay, that locks all the doors, kills the starter. If somebody bangs on the window, it fires off the alarm. If they open any of the doors, it will fire off the alarm. I don't need to show you guys that. That is self-explanatory. If you hold button number 2 and you click it twice, it will unlock all the doors, and it will also open up the sliding door. Okay, sliding door opens. Okay, now I'm gonna press button number 2 and 3 together at the same time, and that's gonna pull down the lift. Okay, opens up the lift. All right, basically now you can get inside the vehicle. Okay, this alarm has 4 different channels, so I can play around and customize different things depending on what the customer wants. To put the lift up, okay, it's unlock and the button number 3. That puts the lift back up. Okay, and then to close the door, it's lock and then the top button that closes the door. Okay. All right, that closes the door. You know, depending on the vehicle, I'm able to do all these functions, but basically he wanted all this stuff hooked up to make life easy for him. To remote start the vehicle, you press the button twice, just number 3, and the truck will the van will start right up. Okay, that started the van. Okay, now the van is running by remote control. This is the Excalibur 1820. To shut off the van, you can also do the same process. Just press this button twice, and that shuts the van off. I'm going to show you how the alarm is triggered. On the alarm, if anybody walks up and basically bangs on the window, the alarm will fire off. Okay. You get the little hammer in the front windshield. If the alarm fires off and then somebody opens the door, it's going to flash the door, letting you know that the thief went in from a door. If it's a banging on the window, you're going to get the little hammer in the window. It tells you the time. It has a little tower antenna in the corner that tells you when you're in and out of the range. This alarm is lifetime warranty. It comes with 2 remote controls. This is the Excalibur 1820. Thank you for your time.